Hello, hello, hello. This is Brady Theodore coming to you on YouTube, asking you, do you know what proximity marketing is? Probably not. Maybe so. If you don't, that is the topic that I'm going to explain tonight. If you enjoy me or the information that I provide to you, please reach down and subscribe to my channel as I give you some updated information on technical marketing and the tools that I use to generate leads for myself and my businesses, and the same tools that other people are using under me that I am training them on. Anyway, proximity marketing technology. Every marketer needs a way to generate sales, to generate hot leads for themselves. We all need a way to get our message out, and with proximity marketing, proximity Bluetooth marketing, using beacons with Google's nearby technology is just one more tool and one more extension of the way that we can reach people in the public by masses to get our message out about our businesses, about our opportunities. Now, let's go back and backtrack just a hair. What is proximity marketing? It's run by Google Nearby Technology. Google Nearby Technology is relatively new. I believe it started somewhere in around 1912, no, not 1912, around 2012, and it's just now starting to catch on throughout the public. Now, big box stores, large corporations, they have known about this, and of course, they've got the big advertising dollars to put towards the technology. If you go into stores like Macy's or Target, Walmart, stores like this are using the technology, and you may not even know about it, but they are sending messages to your Android-based Android phone with Bluetooth turned on, and you're receiving messages. Now, if you notice these or not, that is up to you. But if you look on your phone, sometimes you'll see these notifications come up, and you're scratching your head saying, well, where did that come from? That is being pushed out through Google Nearby. It's going to so-called beacons, which is a piece of hardware. When the technology is hitting the beacon, it then pushes a notification to smartphones within a certain radius of that beacon. I just so happen to have a beacon right here. This is the beacon that I use. If you can see it, it says Power Profit Network. This is a power broadcaster. To get an idea of the size of this, this is my cell phone. So that's about the size and the width. This has 4 batteries in it. It's got a 10-year battery life. Heavy duty, water resistant. This is pushing out a notification. Now, some beacons are Google certified, some are not. These are Eddystone beacons certified by Google for the use of our company. The way we do this is, if you have been watching any of my previous videos, you'll know the company that I work for, that I've explained how I build custom landing pages and sales funnels. Well, at this point in time, normally you would take your link of a sales funnel and you would post it to social media. People would see that link, they'd click on it, and then they would go to a sales funnel where they'd be requested to enter their information for whatever offer that you have going. That's one way of getting that sales funnel out to the public. Now, with Google Nearby Technology and beacons for power broadcasters, there's now a way to carry this with you physically and send this message out 300 yards radius around you. people will then get the notification on their phone. It shows up as a 40-character text, anything that you want to write. So as an individual, you may say, what would you want to write as an individual, depending on your business. If you're an attorney, maybe free, first hour free. If you're a pizza delivery, get free pizza. That would grab somebody's attention. They'd say, free pizza, they'd click on that. Now I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you, number one, my phone. I'm gonna give you a phone view of what this actually looks like as soon as I put my little glasses back on. This is the back office of the Power Profit Network, as you can see. Right here is a shared screen of my phone. I'm going to show you that down here, if you will see where it says nearby, if you look at the very bottom, it says Android system and one up is a nearby. That is a notification on an Android phone. So if you saw that on your phone, you're going to tap on that and open it, and you can see there's two messages: cash in your pocket, crack the code. And you're thinking, well, what is this cash in your pocket thing? So you're going to open that up. Ignore the top one. That's from the company that sells beacons somewhere in China. But we can ignore that one. But then you got crack the code, cash in your pocket. These are both messages sent from one or both of my proximity marketing power broadcasters right here. So if I go to cash in your pocket and I tap on that link, this is what comes up. This is my landing page that I made through the Power Profit Network. And here you see you've got full functionality. This is the same thing somebody would see as if they saw a post on Facebook or any social media and they tapped on the link and it took it to your landing page. This is the same thing, same landing page. Just a different way to get the message out to many more people in the local area. So as people are walking by within 300 yards of this particular beacon, this particular power broadcaster, they're receiving 2 alerts on their phone from me. If they happen to look at their phone, and these alerts will stay there on their phone until they swipe them away or until they open them up. So on this, I've just got, this is for one of my opportunities. It's got my whole landing page and funnel built for it, and that's fine. Somebody would see it. If I go back out of this, let's see if it picks up my other one again automatically. There's crack the code coming up. Let's see. Now they're both shown up again. So now we can go to crack the code. Again, this is another landing page that I made with Power Profit Network. Very easy, customizable landing pages and sales funnels. So this is another one I made, and here it is with a message being sent to people's phones. And they can get in here and open this up. Again, just another landing page. You're thinking, well, that's all fine and dandy. How's that work? You know, I can go here and say open the safe, and there it is. This is my automated email. And there's the front screen again with the alerts in front of my phone. And you're thinking, well, how does this all tie together? If you followed along with me on my other videos, you know that I use the Power Profit Network. In the Power Profit Network, you can build your own custom landing pages, which I do have right here. This is the area where you're building the landing pages. Now, if I go to the Google, I've got a Zoom running, so things are slowed down just a little bit. Let my computer catch up. Go to nearby devices, notifications. Here's the back of this. I've got 2 power broadcasters hooked up here, and with the Power Profit Network, we offer everybody 1 free beacon, and here it is right in this area on automation. Now down here, if I go to the edit button for my beacon number 1 and edit, we can see in the back office, we've got a language. You can set these in any language. They work in any language all over the world. This area here is where you type in a 40-character message, whatever message you want to be presenting to people. We can time this out. We can time it to run 24 hours a day, which is what mine is on. You can time it to go on and off certain times of the day, which is really good for, let's say, restaurants who may have a morning special, an afternoon special, and a dinner special, and they want to present that to their guests. They can switch these up at different times. What you're switching up is right here. This is a list of all my landing pages I've built, and at any given time, I can come back here and I can just tab. Let's get a good working one. I know this one works. I touch that, and rather than having cash in your pocket, I would type in generate sales, or maybe you can generate sales. And then I'm just going to update that. And this easily changed the message and the sales page, the sales funnel or landing page that is being projected now by my beacon. Look over real quick and see if this is showing up. See, it usually takes just a moment. Let's see if we've got the new one. I know you can't see what I'm doing at the moment. I'm trying to get this to come up. It takes a minute just for this to circulate through the internet and then be pushed back out by Google. And if it comes up, I will show you again. And yes, it's coming up. So I'm going to go back to my phone, and it's right here. You can generate sales. You think, well, that's great. Where did that go? Well, I changed up my landing page. So now it's going right here. Contact us through this form for the Power Wi-Fi. Whole different Power Profit Network deal going on there. But anyway, that is the basis of what Google Nearby Technology can do. You have a piece of hardware, you have a piece of software, build your landing pages and sales funnels, generate the link for that particular landing page and sales funnel. You can place that in your social media accounts. People click on it, they go to that landing page. That's where you're generating your leads. Or you can get a power broadcaster, connect your landing page sales funnel to this with a 40-character message, and project your message out to anybody within 300 yards of you. You can carry this with you, or you can place it in a high-traffic area, maybe in the mall, maybe at a car dealership, a busy restaurant. Hide this somewhere, or talk to the owner and ask him if you can place it somewhere hidden in their place of business. Most people are not going to mind. I've got both of mine here with me now. I did have one of these in a restaurant downtown. I had it there for about a month. It was doing fairly well. I pulled it out of that so I could redo some messages and find a different place to put it at. So I carry these with me now. Anyway, just one more extension of you and your business, one more way to get the word and the message out about your business or opportunity. This is made for, let's see, real estate agents are now using these. Imagine being a real estate agent and place one of these inside of a house that's for sale and put a little sign out by the mailbox that says, turn on your Bluetooth, turn on your Android phone, whichever way you want to place it. Check for the alert. People look at that at night. They're looking at the house anyway. They see the sign. They go to their phone and click, see this house. They click on the link. and you can have a virtual tour of the house. Or you, as a real estate agent, you would say, if you would like a virtual tour of the house, please enter your email address. When they do that, the real estate agent now has a hot lead. They know the person was there looking at the house. They know the person saw the house because they took the virtual tour. They can contact that person the next day and hopefully make the sale. So basically it's like selling a house in your sleep. Businesses, excuse me, service industries, construction, car wash people, pizza delivery, anybody with a service, plumbers, electricians, if they use the Power Profit Network, make their landing page giving a substantial discount or a free offer, connect that to their beacon, carry this with them on their jobs, people are going to pick up that information on their phones and they're going to see it. If a restaurant owner has this inside of his restaurant, they can then have people, they can say, how would they do this? They would say on the message, free appetizer. And somebody would see that and say, a free appetizer, click, please go to our Facebook page, give us a like, and pick up your free coupon. At that point, they'd enter their email address. They go to the Facebook landing page of that business. They see the coupon, the digital coupon. They download it on their phone, and they get a free appetizer. A small cost for a restaurant to now have the information to target back that lead, to bring those people back to the restaurant again with targeted advertising. There are 1,000,001 uses for these. I use these for right now 2 of my opportunities. I do have 4 more on order to come to me. I will have these pretty much all over town and covering every business that I am doing myself along with the Power Profit Network. Anyway, just an extension of you and your business to share with the public, easier than standing on a street corner screaming your business name, easier than trying to approach 100 different people because you can't tell everybody right around you verbally what you're doing. But with Google Nearby, these people are nearby enough to pick up your message off of your power broadcaster. They will get the message. If you've got the good enough, let's say, bait, some type of free offer, some type of offer to really grab somebody's attention, they will click on that alert. They will be taken to your landing page where you will receive their information for the offer that you are giving them. And at that point, you've got a red hot lead right there, all the information right in your back office at the Power Profit Network. Anyway, that is the basics of Google Nearby technology. It's how I use it through the Power Profit Network. We do have these available. You can build your custom sales pages, sales funnels, email lists, and campaigns. Forward the information, a 40-character message to the beacon, push that notification to a phone, people see it, tap on the alert, go back to your landing page, send you their information, voila, leads galore. That easy. Technology is just amazing. This platform is even more amazing. So if you enjoyed any of this, if you want to learn more about what I do in the Power Profit Network, subscribe. I've got plenty of videos coming out, training and information-wise both. Subscribe so you can get to my next video when I come out with it and see more about what I do and how I do it with the platform, with the software platform that I'm using to generate leads and sales for my business myself. Please subscribe. Please connect with me. I appreciate you watching this time around. I hope to see you again real soon. Take care. Thank you.